Welcome to this lesson of colors. So we're gonna talk about how you're gonna choose or pick your color if this is something that you think that is important. I think that this is important for one very good reason. So let's just start with this assessment that don't settle on black and white. Create your color palette. Why you should be doing that is because you can highlight concepts and words on the screen and you don't have to be pointing at your slides. So you at some point has to be looking at your audience, and if you're in a position that you have to be pointing a laser to your slides and then look at your audience, maybe you forget that you have to look at your audience, and the reason for that is that your design was not helping you. You can help you during your delivery, and you can help your audience during the presentation if you highlight what is important, and you can do that by simply choosing a different color. This is something that's easy to do, but maybe was not so easy is to pick the exactly color. If you are not certain, you can take something that comes from maybe your institution. Maybe your institution has some color palette that you can follow. Maybe you can take anything that you like, and if you're uncertain of how you're gonna actually choose your color, if you decide to do so, well, don't be alone. You can get some ideas on the internet about color theory, and one of them that is for sure the 101 is about complementary colors. So instead of you using contrasting colors that is black and white, you can use some harmony of colors that is called complementary. So the image that you're looking right now is what we call it color wheel, and you can pick colors that live on the opposite sides. So if they are live so you have freedom to choose the exactly one. If you go into the color world, and you're gonna see that some specific colors induce some specific emotions, but probably you don't have to be aware of that. You can just take a color that you like. But now I don't like to use complementary colors because my institution does not use, for example, green or blue or whatever. My institution only uses something that is resemble uh, the reddish tone. Well, you're free to use what we call some analogous colors. There are colors that live nearby. How you gonna choose your colors? Well, it's up to you, but if you need some specialized technique for that, there are online tools, so you can just go for so thesessions.eu or to is my color.space, and I'm gonna actually use them right now for you to have an idea in a demo. So we are right now on this session.eu. The idea that I told you about color harmonies, there are more color harmonies that are showing here, but you take your color, you choose one, great, and now you choose your harmony. Maybe the complementary are the one that I told you before. Maybe you want something that is resembles the same color, so it's just a different shading, or the nearby that I told you that there are also color analogous. So you actually choose the color that you want. So you take the hexadecimal color, the code, copy, paste, and apply on your slide. Maybe you're gonna see that the result does not looks good on your design, but this is okay. It's a process. You're gonna discover the best solution after make a lot of trial and error. You're gonna tell me, Noel, this is too much complex. I don't want these harmonies because their results were not good. I want more options. So this is the second website that I recommend. So you just put your color, color that you want, send to generate, and then you have many options. You have many options. Which one is the best? You have to try for yourself. Okay, but the idea is the same. You see the colors, get the hexadecimal code, apply on your slides, and see if it looks good or not. It's a process. You have to be trying for yourself.